Meaning of freakish.
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 Freakish. The term freakish refers to something that is abnormal, unusual, or strange beyond what is considered normal or expected. It suggests a certain degree of unpredictability, oddness, or peculiarity. It can describe a person, behavior, situation, or object that stands out in an uncommon way, whether positively or negatively. Being freakish can evoke a sense of fascination, curiosity, or discomfort depending on the context. In essence, it implies that something doesn't conform to established norms or standards and often has an element of surprise or shock value associated with it.